Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting the image. Place it where you want on the slide. Once selected, the picture format ribbon appears. Click Remove Background immediately to generate the magenta preview. This mask shows what PowerPoint thinks to discard, so don't panic if it's rough. Make sure to move or resize the picture now. Changes alter the mask. Pause and check composition before refining, because the next steps modify which areas are kept versus removed. Once the magenta mask is visible, refine it with mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. Use short strokes over edges and important details. Zoom in on hair, transparent objects, or tight edges so your strokes are accurate. Small corrections beat large ones. If background is complex, toggle between the two tools until the preview looks right, and crop the image to reduce extra background area. Make sure the composition remains centered before you accept. When satisfied, click Keep Changes to apply the cutout. If the background was a single solid color, consider Set Transparent Color to remove residual pixels quickly. For hair or semi-transparent areas, duplicate the original image and combine a manual mask in an external editor, then reinsert as PNG. This preserves quality. If you see jagged edges or leftover magenta, undo, refine strokes, and try again. Sometimes reducing image size slightly before removing background helps avoid artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.